7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the Area Weather Outlook, issued by the National Weather Service in Grand. The National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bay County in southeastern Michigan, Midland County in southeastern Michigan, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Windacres to near Beaverton to near Clare, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bentley around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Incoming, Sanford and Hill around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Auburn around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Colin and Linwood around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bay City and Essexville around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Mount Forest, Averill, Bombay, Crump, Willard, Hope, Bay City State Recreation Area and North Bradley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and gusty winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Clare County in central Michigan, northeastern Osceola County in central Michigan, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Vogel Center to near Lucas, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Highland, Temple, Kisga Heights, Dighton, Ina, Letta, Park Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.